Hello friends, welcome to BNXpert. In today's video, we shall discuss Slice tool. The Slice tool makes slices of an image so that they can be saved separately in a specified format and can be uploaded to web. This is mostly used by the web designers. Now, the style option is set to normal here. Click and drag to select a part of the image. You can see, along with this part, there are some more slices generated automatically to fill up the rest of the space. This slice which we created is called user generated slice. Each slice is assigned with a number. The user generated slice is tagged with blue and the auto generated slices with gray color. Here we have 5 slices. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You can move the user slice by click and drag inside it. And you can resize the slice by dragging the handles like this. Another method to make slice is fixed aspect ratio. This option allows you to fix the aspect ratio of the width and height of the slice. Let's type here 3 for width and 4 for height. Press enter key. Now when you draw the slice, it will maintain the aspect ratio in 3:4. The third option here is fixed size. This option lets you fix the size in pixels, inches, etc. Now the unit is set to pixel. You can change it by right-clicking here, then select anyone from the list. I am going with pixel now. Let's type 500 for width and 400 for height. Press enter key. Now click anywhere you want. It will give you a slice of 500 pixel width and 400 pixel height. Next is slices from guides, which is inactive now because there is no guide on our canvas. It is used to make slices using the guides. To have a guide, we need the rulers. Press Ctrl R to show the ruler. You can see here we have the ruler at the top and left. Click and drag from the top ruler to set some horizontal guide. Another 2 guides I set from the left ruler. Click on slices from guides which is active now. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 6 slices. We can also use rows and columns to get slices of equal size. For that, right-click on the image, select Divide Slice. To divide the image horizontally, select Divide Horizontally into. Type the number of slices you want. I want 3 here. To divide the image vertically, select Divide Vertically into. Here I want 4. As you click on OK, the image is divided into 3 rows and 4 columns, which gives you 12 slices equally divided. There is another way to divide the image. Again, right-click, Divide Slice. Now we shall use number of pixels per slice. Let's say for horizontal division, I enter 266 pixels per slice, and for vertical division, 400. OK. You can see the result. Also, there is another option to make slices, new layer based slice, available in layer menu. It is used to make slices based on layers. We have two layers in this picture. Layer 1 contains this map and the rest are in the background layer. Let's slice this map without drawing a slice. Select layer 1, click on layer menu, new layer based slice. You can see the map layer is sliced and two more slices generated automatically. Now the question is how to save the slices. Click on File, Export, then Save for Web. Select the zoom level as fit in view for the complete picture. Select a format from the list here. I want JPG. Click on Save. Type a file name. Set the format to images only. For slices, there are three options. If you select all slices, then all the slices will be saved. If you select all user slices, then the user slices will be saved. The last one is selected slices, which is used to save the slices you have selected. I choose all slices. Click on Save. Now minimize the window and check where you saved. You can find a folder named Images. Open it. See, all the slices are saved here.